So hi, hello. Saya ada semua. So hari ni I macam nak buat unboxing with me. So let's go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am me, is me, baby. So hari ni I macam nak buat unboxing sikit apa yang I ada beli. So mostly I spend untuk raya or my dream wishlist lah apa yang I nak beli. So first of all, I memang training gila nak beli baju warna putih. Pasal I tengok waktu tu Guzel ada buat sale. And yeah, this is so cute nak bams. So I ambil size ML. So I takut SM tu lalu kecil kan. So MS so far okay je. Kalau SM I okay je, tapi takut macam tu lalu kecil. Macam tu. So far ML okay. Macam okay nak tak nak kena grab. So yeah, this one first from Guzel. Okay, I have this baju raya. Actually I nak kod lain, tapi I dapat grab yang ni. So it's okay lah. Otherwise it's still cute. I am size S. Kalau you guys nak tengok, I malas nak buka, nanti kena lipat. Tapi I love. Dia macam dupe for Zara designer. Nanti kalau I dapatkan nanti I share gambar. Okay, this one the first baju yang I dapat beli ada duit. And then actually the intention for I'm buying this clothes for this outfit because of I want to go out with somebody, but on that time he just spoiled my mood. So after we were going for it, and then we just straight back home. So this one worth 40 ringgit. So cute, right? Okay, rupanya pedas rupanya nak review. Berapa faham. So this one from Uniqlo, 150. Yes, 150. So you guys wanna see? I dah pernah pakai sekali lah, tapi looks cute. Ta-da! And you know what? Dia cakap I beri you pakai jaket. I macam marah lah. I mean like, salah ke I beri? I mean like, I nak keluar kot. And then salah ke untuk I beri? I tak boleh sebab I memang jenis yang over. Faham ke? I memang akan like, over lah. Because I'm this. Dear. Because I'm dear. Yeah. So cute for real. Look, so cute. Imagine I'm wearing this. Bro. Yeah. Look at this. I buy from Ariani. This one, 2 of it is bawal. And this one 47, this one 50. Oh, itu duit aku kan habis untuk tu je. Okay, I beli ni. This is but this so cute. And this one also cute. I macam like colour macam like so pop up. So I macam tak nak I beli je. Which is worth 49 ringgit. Look. So cute, but yeah. So kenapa I beli macam I tak ada jam, saya belilah jam. So this one Dr. Cardin. Tengok ni. So I ambil size 38. And itu saya beli Bashiro. Actually this is really my dream shoes. I memang nak beli gila. Macam kalau I ada duit I memang nak kena beli. And then waktu tu memang ada sale. Like I got 150 ke macam tu. So I macam I beli je. I tak fikir apa I beli je. Raya kot. Chino. I know what you thinking. So, girls, I buy this laptop which is worth 1,300. So cute, right? Pink color. I love it. This one Bio Boss. So far I suka bau dia macam bau comel. Nak lagi I comel. So I suka bau comel. So bau comel. Now, yang ni this one cream puff. The beige is from Brands Outlet. Dan semata Sebabnya I nak pergi Genting malam ni. So dia simple je, memang simple. So memang I berniat untuk beli baju simple kan, gemuk sangat. So that's why I beli design. Ni pula juga, tapi I tak tahu nak pakai bila. So tunggulah. Tunggu I beli baju warna putih. Beli this too. Okay, that's all from me. So thank you so much for watching my video by channel. So yeah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah dengan nikmat Allah ni. Alhamdulillah, bersyukur sangat I dapat apa yang I nak. Tapi masih lagi I nak kena beli macam-macam, which is ada je lagi yang I tak dapat beli, which is my baju raya, my handbag, sampan bag. Okay, you guys check it out. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.